Hey guys, welcome back. So I got a little different video for you guys today. It's time to progress in some jumping. I got to ride with the Trail Mob 805, Casey Rides, Cycling Bandito and Cycling Chika, Apex Rider, and of course Eric, aka Bobcat. We rode the Orchid trails and had a freaking blast. These guys were just sailing over jumps and larger drops. Damn! Yeah! A couple of them I pushed out on, some of them I went for, but it's time to get a little bit better. So I'm fortunate enough to have a few acres here with a little slope and a tractor to build a nice wide double so I can start getting my feet wet, so getting a little more comfortable in the air and start to actually enjoy jumping. So let's get to work. So I figured the best place to start is right here with this old tabletop that I've had for years. Most of the time, when I hit it, I make it over it, so this will be something to work up to, and will give me enough dirt, hopefully, to build the smaller double to get myself a little more comfortable in the air before we hit this.
Finally got a decent double.
Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you next week.